Hello and welcome to Hardway Learning, where we look stupid so you don't have to. And today we are working on the old Miata. I want to take my catalytic converter out because I think it's toast anyways, and I'm going to be upgrading the exhaust system in the near future. And I just so happen to have a piece of pipe that I think will fit perfectly. Steal the flange off the cat on each end. So we'll bust that out.
So we heard some clunking on the front of the car.
We're getting passed by the sheriff.
Oh yeah!
That's funny.
Alright, so we are gonna try to get the old muffler out. First I gotta disconnect the O2. Then we have a hanger here, and a hanger on each side of the muffler itself. So we'll start with that O2, probably disconnect it from behind the driver's seat first. And pull that cable through. There we go. Okay, I believe I gotta take off the rest of these 17s. I feel dumb now. Okay, so now that little frame thing, I'm gonna have to clean up and re-weld where I was doing all this grinding for no good reason. Alright, so just kind of eyeballing some stuff. Oh, Lord, what have we done? Well, thinking moment of truth here. Will it support itself? No, not quite. I guess we need one more hanger. Did I bring the threaded rod in? Yes, I did. Put a little condenser bond on there. is the moment of truth. Will it support itself, or will it just collapse? Nice. We out here just laying dimes. Woo! So what I ended up doing is a 180 with a 45 off of the muffler over here. So there's the 180. And then I did, well, it's a 180 that I cut roughly at a 45 so that I could swing back a little bit. And then we go to a 45, and then another 45 right here. And then a straight that I cut a little seam in the middle of. Right here. To kind of get a bend to it. It's definitely low. The cat. Straight to the downpipe. I don't know. I'm gonna have to tweak it. I also need to put a tip on it because it's pointed directly at the muffler right now, or right at the bumper, which isn't winning, but it's mostly routed. Definitely a little hanging low. So I think what I'm gonna have to do is shim this guy up a little bit, potentially take some length out right there. And then that should tighten it up to the frame a little better. Because it is a solid frick, like 2 inches down. That's not good. We don't like that. We don't want any of that. All right, first start. Let's go.